In this video, I will show you how to connect a Thrustmaster wheel to a PS4. So there are 5 basic steps. First, the physical connection. So you need to plug the wheel's USB cable into a PS4 USB port, which can be on the front or back, and connect the power adapter, which is required for force feedback. Then pedals and shifters if you have them. Attach the pedals to the wheelbase, and for the TH8A shifter, connect via USB or to the wheelbase. Then the second step is the PS4 setup, so turn on the PS4 and do not connect a DualShock controller yet. Then press the PS button on the Thrustmaster wheel to pair it. If the PS button isn't working, again check the power and USB connection, and then the PS4 should recognize the wheel as a controller. Then the calibration, so the wheel will auto-calibrate, so rotate it left and right when powered on, and then test in settings, go to devices and controllers to ensure the inputs work. Then the fourth step is to launch your racing game, so wherever you want to use it, and go to controls/options and select wheel, not controller, and adjust force feedback strength in the game. So now it should be fully connected. Now if it's not detected, try a different USB port and avoid hubs. Restart the PS4 and reconnect the wheel. Update the wheel firmware via PC. If there's no force feedback, ensure the power adapter is plugged in and check the game settings, so enable FFB for example. Then if the pedals and shifters are not working, reconnect the cable securely and check the game control settings because it may need manual binding. So now you know how to connect a Thrustmaster wheel to PS4. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.